Hey folks, Roberto Lee here at Treviso Bay in Naples, Florida, and today we're previewing our newest listing. This is TREVI Court Unit 5214. It's the Arbor floor plan. This is a non-golf condo that you can find here in Treviso Bay. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 1,200 square foot. So as we walk inside the Arbor, you'll see the kitchen on the left side. You have these stainless appliances, the white cabinets, quartz countertops, and this all overlooks your living space. And then you do have the island as well, with room for a few chairs. And then also off the bar area here at the kitchen, you can put another 4 stools right there. Right off the kitchen, we have the guest bedroom. So you see the painted accent wall with the decorative wood trim. You have your typical bifold style closet, and also the carpet has been removed from this home as well. Then we have the guest bath with the singular sink, the commode. That's a combination tub and shower. And then you do have the laundry room located right here in the guest bath with a full-size washer and dryer. And also these folks have added additional cabinetry and painted the wall decorative behind the washer and dryer. Now for the main living spaces, right off the kitchen island, you have a dedicated dining spot. And then the rest of this is your great room and living space. Now this home is being sold turnkey, so everything that you see in this video comes with the home. Last but not least, on the interior, we have the owner's retreat. That is a king-size bed there for perspective. Again, the carpet was removed from the bedroom. You have a beautiful view of the lake from your owner's suite. Then we have 2 closets. This is what we call an owner's closet. They do have it locked up. And this is for rental purposes, so you can keep your own goods in there. And then you also have another walk-in style closet directly across. Nice thing is these owners, in addition to pulling the carpet out of the room, also did it in the closets. Last but not least is the owner's bath with the singular sink. You have the commode. You do have a linen closet. And instead of the tub and shower, now we have a full stand-up shower there. Last but not least is the exterior living space. So on the lanai with this unit, you have a beautiful view of the lake and the fountain feature right out in the middle of the lake. Very peaceful, very quiet. That is a preserve across the way, so you'll never see any other buildings. This will always be your view. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this unit, you can contact us at all of the information that you see below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.